Latte. Beauty. Beauty? No, I think Stormy was... Yeah, Stormy was... Who was Police's mom? Well, I'm telling you, Patty, I got some real pretty puppies now. And they're from Stormy and Riley. Real pretty, real tiny, too. Oh, yeah, that's coming April 3rd. April 3rd and about a week later. Kisses is, too. Kisses... She's my chocolate. No, Kisses is my chocolate girl from Washington. Yeah, but from the new boy. By the new boy. Yeah. No, both are. I really tried it. Yeah, I tried it big time to see, because, I mean, Riley's been the man. Yeah, he's been the main boy for how long now? So I gave it a try to see what would happen. This is the boy I'm videotaping. This is the only boy in the litter. And then where's the other little girl that's available? Let me see. They're eating lunch right now. That's the girl spoken for. Here's, I'm videotaping them, Patty. Hang on. This is the other little girl that's available. Oop, my God, let me videotape her, guys. Y'all get in the way. Yeah, that one's, I think that's the one available. Hang on. There's two that look so much alike. One's spoken for. Yeah, that's her right there. The other one's going to a nurse. Yeah, that one right there is going to the nurse. She's playing with her mom. Come here. There she is. That's Liz's baby right there. Hey, baby. Oh, and they're really tiny. They're just a little over a pound. Yeah, I've got 3 that still need a home in this litter. So, they're all pretty small, the whole litter. And she delivered them by herself. Went in the back room. I was talking to Nancy. She went in the back room. I went to check on her. I was like, where is she? She's been really quiet. Had all 6 of them born.